Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to get your weaver's cloth drum tight in a locking lip hoop. Let's get started. I have got my Morgan locking lip lap stand, and I have some high quality weaver's cloth. You would use the same process whether you are using a lap stand or a single Morgan no slip hoop. The lap stand has a hoop on either side, so once you decide which side you're going to use, you can loosen the hoop on the opposite side and just set it aside until you need it, and then loosen the hoop on the side you're going to use. The Morgan hoops have a groove in one side and a lip in the other, and those two lock together. And if you notice in the weaver's cloth, it is a woven fabric, so it has woven fibers that are perpendicular to one another, and as you go through this process you want to make sure that those fibers, called the grain of the fabric, stays straight. And then center the weaver's cloth over the top of the hoop. So when you put the top hoop over, you want to make sure that the lip slides into the groove, and then you can start tightening. And when it gets fairly tight, you want to start pulling the weaver's cloth on all sides and continue tightening. So it's a little bit of a back and forth between pulling and tightening. Make sure that the grain of the fabric stays straight in the hoop. And if you get to where you need to tighten a little bit more but you can't, you can use a pair of pliers to tighten the hoop a little bit more. And you want to get the weaver's cloth drum tight, or as taut as the top of a drum. And as you punch with the no slip hoops, the fabric may become droopy, and that's normal. Just go ahead and tighten it back up again. Just use the same process to retighten the fabric, because you don't want the fabric to be saggy when you're punching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.